Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. Today we are doing a recipe Crystal came up with called Tropical Berry Shake. So let's get started. Alright, so we're starting in a blender with some ice. What should we add to that, Crystal?
2 heaping scoops of ice cream.
Alright, so we have vanilla ice cream here.
That Renee bought. Thank you.
Welcome. Got French vanilla, which is pretty melted, but that's okay. Get some nice, big scoops in. All right. A little more. All right, what's next?
Now, the pineapple chunks that we drained.
All right, we've got a can of pineapple chunks here. We're gonna add that in. All right, now what?
Now we're gonna add half a cup of milk.
Okay. Got some milk here. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it.
Okay.
All right.
Now the mango chunks.
All right, we've got some frozen mango chunks here. They're already kind of thawing, but they were frozen. All right, so we added blackberries and blueberries right before this, and I somehow don't have the footage, but I just wanted to say that's what we did. All right, it's ready, and we have my dad here for a taste test.
That's wonderful. I think I'll drink the whole glass.
It's all yours.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. We'll be back next time at Recipes Mania. Bye, guys.